When I was first diagnosed with cardiac problems, we tried to handle it with medication and cardiac rehab, and eventually led to a situation where I had a triple bypass. Later, I was officially diagnosed with diastolic heart failure. I got to the point where I felt like my symptoms and physical limitations became a burden to everyone around me. I couldn't even take care of my own yard, and I was having to depend on other people to have to do that. Golf was out of the question because it was just too physically strenuous for me. It's devastating in your own mind, the unknown, not knowing how debilitated you may become, how much of a stress it may put on your family, and ultimately how useless and unproductive will I become. Since the implant, my quality of life has improved. I'm able to do more activities with my family because I'm not totally exhausted at the end of the day. I've even actually been able to hit a golf ball a few times. I'll never walk the course again, but if I could use a golf cart and play 5 or 6 holes, that would make a tremendous difference in the way I feel about myself.
Spending time with my family is probably the most incredible thing I can do now. It's given me a chance to see my 2 grandchildren born. I've been able to come off some of my medications. I've lost weight. I don't have to sleep with my head elevated quite so high. We started visiting the national parks after I started feeling better. And so far we've been able to do 11 national parks. I'm just incredibly blessed because of the activity I'm able to do. When I first got introduced to the possibility of being part of this clinical trial, I had some concerns. I was one of the first people in the U.S. to qualify. I'd seen the research. I had confidence in it. I felt like if I could get some relief, that it would far outweigh any risk. Every single step of the way, I knew what to expect. They kept me informed, told me the process, helped me understand what was to come next, and I followed their instructions. And because of it, I have been just incredibly blessed with new energy, less pain.
I feel like I've been given a new lease on life to do things I wanted to do and spend time with the people that are very, very important to me. I will forever be grateful to the Medical University and Corvia Medical for giving me part of my life back. And it just makes me want to enjoy every moment I can.